For 20 years, this diamond in the heart of Springfield went by one name. But this spring, the sign above home plate changed, and so did the story. This is Route 66 Stadium, and the name isn't just a rebrand, it's a nod to Springfield's own place in history. This city is known as the birthplace of Route 66, the spot where, back in 1926, the idea for the legendary highway from Chicago to L.A. was first put on paper. A century later, that legacy found a new home, right here, just steps from the original Mother Road. The rename brought together 5 community pillars: the Springfield Cardinals, Missouri State University, O'Reilly Auto Parts, Mercy, and the city itself. A partnership never before seen in sports, all under one shared vision. Missouri State took the field under the new name first. Days later, the Cardinals followed, kicking off a new era of baseball on ground that's carried this city's pride for 2 decades. Same field, same community, a new name that finally tells Springfield's whole story.